Debnath Art Hub. Hello little friends, today we are drawing and painting a blue car. Yes, so let's start to learn. At first we will draw the car tire wheel. Yes, like that. Step by step follow how I am drawing. If you follow these steps, then you are also able to draw. Yes, like that. Always remember drawing and painting slowly. Otherwise, your drawing will be wrong. Step by step follow how I am drawing. If you follow these steps, then you are also will be an artist. Yes, like that. We are almost done. Now we are take a dark and thick marker for border the car. Yes, after the bordering, it will be looks like so awesome. Yeah, like that. Now it's time to learn the colors name. This is our colors: sky blue color, black color, dark blue color, yellow color, red color, gray color. At first we are using the gray color. Thank you little friends. Bye bye.